Hello friends, myself Mrs. Kirti Pramod Sapare, Senior Lecturer at MC Society's Institute of Pharmacy, and today we will begin with first topic, that is Introduction to Drugstore and Business Management Part 1. This picture tells about economic activity, that is business. Economics, that is anything which deals with money. The primary objective of a business is to earn the money. Business contains mainly two parts. One is industries and another is a commerce. Industry, that is production, processing or fabrication of goods. Here in the diagram or in the picture you can see the production of certain raw material, and then raw material are processed in the industries and final product is produced. That product is distributed from producer to the consumer, that is commerce. And one of the most important part of commerce, that is trade, which contains buying, selling and exchange of goods. So basically business contains two parts, one is industry and second is commerce. That is classification. Business is classified broadly into two parts, one is industry and another is a commerce. In this video we will focus only on the classification of industry, and in the next video we will discuss about the commerce. So this video is only related to one part of a business, that is industry. What are the learning objectives of this video? Through this video, students will be able to define the business, enlist objectives of the business, define the industries and classify the industries with examples. A reflection spot. That is question for you. What do you know about business and what are the different types of business? Now just pause the video. Write the answer of above question in your notebook, and once you have done, you can play the video. The word business arises from the word busy. In a pharmaceutical business, retailers normally gets minimum 20% of a margin. The margin is higher in Ayurvedic and surgical goods. People in India normally spend 2% of their income on medicine. So, there is a wide scope in a pharma industry. To run drugstore efficiently, one needs scientific technique and marketing. There are different types of businesses like pharmaceutical business, textile shop, footwear shop, utensil shops, etc. Now, we will discuss about definition of business. As we have seen, business is all those economical activities including production and distribution of goods, industries, commerce, trade and services. So basically business contains 5 parts. First, production and distribution of goods. Second, industries. Third, commerce. Fourth, trade. And fifth is services. The main aim of a business is to earn the profit, at the same time to make customer satisfied. As I already told, there are different types of business like medical store, textile shop, footwear shops, utensil shops, etc. Now we will discuss about objectives of business. There are mainly 3 objectives of a business, that is social objective, human objective and economic objectives. First, we will begin with economic objectives, that is objectives which are related to money. Economic objectives are to earn the profit, to search for a new market, to attract new customer and to improve quality of goods. Next, social objectives. Social objectives are to provide employment opportunities to the people, to take care of environment and to supply high quality services with reasonably priced products or goods. Third is human objective. Human objectives are to provide job satisfaction and fair deals to employees in terms of salary and incentives. Second, to provide healthy working conditions to employees. And third, to provide fair promotions, incentives and growth. So, while opening any business, you have to keep in mind all the three objectives, that is economic objectives which are related to money, social objectives which are related to society, and a human objectives which are related to workers who are going to work for you. Next most important part, that is industries. As we have discussed, business is broadly classified into two terms, that is industries and commerce, and in this video we will discuss only about industries. So, industry is a part of business activity which relates to production, processing or fabrication of products. In industry, normally raw material are processed and finished product or manufactured goods are produced. So input gets processed into the industry and finally output is produced. There are two types of goods. One is consumer goods and another, that is producer or capital good. Consumer good, that is used by end consumer like tablet or capsule, and producer good which is used in the production of consumer goods, that is machinery. So consumer goods like tablet, capsule are directly consumed by the customer, and producer goods are used in the production of consumer goods, that is machinery which are used in the production of tablets and capsule. Now most important part, that is classification of industries. Industries are classified on four bases. First basis, that is types of good produced. Second, size and amount of investment. Third, capital employed. And fourth, that is official classification of industry. Most important classification, that is based on types of goods produced. So based on types of good produced, industries are classified into genetic industry, extractive industry, manufacturing industries and construction industries. Based on size and amount of investment, they are classified into light and heavy industries. And based on capital employed, they are classified into large scale and small scale industries. Official classification, that is given by Industries Act 1951, and these are drug and pharmaceutical industries and medical and surgical appliances. In this video, we will discuss each of the type of industry in a detail. First, that is types of good produce, which is most important classification. How to remember this classification? This classification can be remembered by the simple words, that is JMC. G, that is genetic industry. E, extractive industry. M, manufacturing industry. C, construction or constructive industries. Manufacturing industries are further classified into four types, that is synthetic industry, analytical industries, assembly line industry and processing industry, which is most important classification. So we will discuss in a detail about genetic, extractive, manufacturing and construction industries. First part, that is genetic industries. They produce certain species of plants and animals for earning profit from their cell. Examples of genetic industries like poultry farms, dog kennels, nurseries, etc. Second type, that is extractive industries. In these industries, wealth is obtained from soil, air, water or beneath the earth's surface by various extractive processes. Example, fishing, where wealth is obtained from water, mining, where wealth is obtained from beneath the earth's surface, agriculture, where again wealth is obtained from the soil. Third type of industry, that is construction industries. As the name suggests, they are involved in a construction of buildings, roads and dams. Fourth type, that is manufacturing industries. Manufacturing, that is simply conversion of a raw material into finished good. So They are involved in a conversion of a raw material into finished goods. They are classified into synthetic industry, analytical industry, assembly line industry, and processing industry, which can be remembered by the word SAT. First part, that is synthetic industry. Synthetic industries. In these industries, various ingredients are put together to manufacture new products. Example, chemical industries, soap industries, drug industries, fertilizer industries. Here, various raw materials are put together to produce a new product or to produce a final product. Next type of industry, that is analytical industries. These industries involves analysis of single kind of basic raw material and separating different products from it. Example, fractional distillation of crude oil, and then crude oil is separated into petrol, diesel, kerosene, gasoline, etc. Third type, that is assembly line industries. As the name suggests, in these industries, different parts or components which are already manufactured are assembled together. Example, computers, televisions, cars, etc. Fourth type, that is processing industries. In processing industries, raw material is processed through different stages of production to obtain the final product. Best example is the pharmaceutical industry. Here raw material is processed through different stages like sifting, granulation, blending, compression, coating, etc. to obtain final product, that is tablet. That is, raw material gets processed through different stages and resulting in a formation of final product. Next classification, that is based on size and investment. Based on size and investment, industries are classified into two types, that is light industries and heavy industries. The features of both the industries are exactly opposite. Light industries, they involve small capital investment, short duration of production cycle, and less costly machineries are required. Example, like industries which are involved in the production of collapsible tubes, containers, tins, etc. Heavy industries are exactly opposite. That is, they require big capital investment, longer production cycle, and costly machineries are required. Example, iron and steel industries, aeronautics, shipbuilding industries, automobile industries, etc. Third part of classification, that is based on capital employed. These are divided into small scale industries and large scale industries. In a small scale industries, capital investment is less than 10 lakhs. Number of workers employed are also less. Machines, tools and value of product manufactured is also less. Example, handloom industries, food processing industries, etc. Next part, on basis of capital employed, that is large scale industries. These industries involve capital investment more than 10 lakhs, number of workers employed are more, machine, tools and value of product manufactured is also more. Example, iron and steel industry, sugar industry, etc. Now fourth and the last classification, that is official classification of industries, which is given by Industries Act 1951 by the government. In this classification, industries are classified according to types of good produced like drug and pharmaceuticals, medical and surgical appliances, soap, cosmetic and toilet preparations. Thank you very much. That's all about business, that is definition, objectives of business, definition of industries and classification of industries. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.